I'm Dr. Vik from Anagen Hair Transplant.
Hi, I'm Dr. Divya from Anagen Hair Transplant. So, Doc, can you throw some light on repairing hair transplant done bad somewhere else?
Yes. See, it can happen. Everybody is learning, okay? It all requires experience to do great hair transplant, and others will also become experienced over a period of time. So basically, bad hair transplant means straight hairline. Bad hair transplant means hairs on the hairline like this, not 20-25 degree or like this. Bad hair transplant means curl has to be here, curl supposed not to be there, curl has to be here, curl is not supposed to be there, curl has to be here in the beard, not opposite side, right? Bad hair transplant means no soft hair, so there is no feathery gradient. Nobody should detect a hair transplant. Okay, even if you put zigzag, but you have not put the soft hair, still people can detect because they're thick hairs coming out. Okay, bad hair transplant means your donor is gone. So bad hair transplant means the angles, the direction, the curls, and so much naturalness, density, no doubles here. No problem. We can give local anesthesia. We have our machine in the punch. We'll remove all those grafts and put it back, and then we are going to redesign this hair, this soft hair from nape of the neck, single follicles, soft follicles with 20-25 degree, 10 to 15 degree, y degree in a complete flow. All the hair should flow like this. Like if you're combing from left to right, like Shashi Tharoor or Vinod Mehra, so the hair should fall over here. This should, when I take a close-up view, they should all look. If I'm going to comb back, they should all look from in the same direction and angles. It should not, some is transplanted hair, some is transplanted hair. Imagine if I comb it, all hair should come properly. There should be softness. There should be some scalp visible. That's called the artistic part of a transplant. So natural hairline. If your density is missing somewhere, some grafts are coming less, not to worry. You're going to put it from here and put it back. Anybody who's got a bad hair transplant anywhere else, as a social cause, we do help them with nominal cost because they've already got a trauma of a bad hair transplant somewhere else. We don't want to, want to make it very simple cost wise also to them, so that at least we can give them smile to their faces.
Wow. So, audience, if any one of you have got a bad hair transplant done anywhere else, you can come to Anagen Clinic and get it repaired.
Subscribe and follow us. A lot of interesting videos on hair loss treatments, hair loss solutions, and hair transplant surgery coming soon with Dr. Divya and Dr. Vivek from Anagen Studio.